Hey garden people, let me take you back to the beginning of 2022 where this channel began. Our little plot of land was bare, but there was a passion rising in my heart. And so I began with a pile of compost, a few seed packets, and a simple drawing. This all felt so right. Blossoms emerged and ideas raced through my mind as we planned and planted. Soon, the seedlings and bees arrived. And as the days became warmer, I sought out knowledge from other farmers and growers. Nature was so inspiring, and with each new crop popping up, my excitement grew.
Okay, we're harvesting the potatoes for the very first time. Rita, you want a tomato? Oh, there she goes. Baby watermelon.
Soon, our little backyard plot felt like a true farm. It sure was hard work, but the delicious reward was always worth it. That's when the hardest work of all came, the farm apprenticeship. I filled 10 weeks with tent living, learning, sweating, eating so much good food, and developing a plan for our future. With the end of the apprenticeship, I forged the beginning of what I wanted life to be, filled with good food, surrounded by kind people, and working with nature. I pruned, planted, canned, crafted, seed saved, and continued the search for knowledge by helping on other farms, learning new skills, meeting new people, and doing things I've never done before, like starting a backyard farm box with our end of summer crop. For the first time, I felt confident to start something on my own. I truly felt happy and was proud of myself for taking this step. Not to say there weren't struggles along the way. When you pour your heart into something, it can hurt to make mistakes, which I made plenty of. Crop failure, critical feedback, long nights editing, every weekend dedicated to the garden, pushing myself physically and mentally to the point of questioning this new life choice. I worked harder than I ever have, but truly felt happier than I ever have. I know this is where I'm meant to be, and it's just the beginning. We have big plans in 2023. There's going to be a whole lot more food, flowers, and community. But for now, we'll hold our loved ones tight and rest. See you in 2023, garden people, and thank you for being by our side on this journey.